Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part design in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor sheet metal commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane and here we'll take a line command. From the center point, make a center line first. Okay, so we are going to construct a center line, one line like this, on here, taper line, on closure, and this will be the closing line. Okay, now this is a close sketch. Go to dimension, define this total here as 185 mm. Okay, define this as 20. Now here define this as 30. Define this point from bottom, this will be at 24 mm, and this straight line of 14 mm. Now escape. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now I want the same profile this side as well. Go to mirror, select these profiles, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Now select the center line, make it construction, finish sketch. Now here take face command, so it will generate a sheet metal part. Press OK. Now we will define the thickness of the sheet metal. So I'll click here sheet metal defaults. So it will show you the by default thickness is 0.5 mm. So we'll uncheck this and here I'll change it to 2. So we'll take a 2 mm thickness. I'll show you this is 0.5. When I click on apply, you can see the thickness has increased. Exit. Now here go to flange command and rotate the profile. So at bottom side, go to part 1. You can see the flange is going back side and from top it is coming front side. Go to part 1. Select here. Now here we have two type of flange. First is bend from intersection of two outer faces. Okay, so when I take a distance of 10 mm, then this portion will remain 8 mm and this will cover with 2 mm. And when I click here bend from intersection of two inner faces, so the flange will increase. So the starting will be considered here. So this will be 10 mm. And click here apply. Go to home. With same setting, I click here. This will be also 10 mm and press OK. Now here go to the corner rounds. Click here corner round. Take a radius of 5 mm. Go to corner selection. Select these two corners. Okay. Rotate. And here select this corner and this corner. Press OK. Okay. Now rotate it once more. Now I'll select this face. Go to create sketch. Now we are going to make all the cut profiles. Take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension. Here define the dimension. So the total dimension of this will be 135 mm. And the dimension from base, this will be at a distance of 42 mm. From corner, this will be 11. And from this side as well, this will be 11. Okay. Now go to circle command. Make a circle at center of diameter 10. Go to dimension. From base, the center here will be at distance of 23 mm. Go to vertical constraint. Select this point and select the center. Now go to circle command once again. And this time we are going to make one circle here, one circle here and two circles here. Okay, go to equal constraint, select this circle, select this circle, select this and this, select this and this. So all the 4 circles are equal to each other. Now go to dimension and define one of the circle of dia 4. Okay, now you can see the diameter of all circles have changed. Select from base, the center will be at 12 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Okay, and here we will define the other dimensions. Go to dimension. Here the center to center, the center distance from here will be 25, and this also from center at 25. Okay, now from base, this circle will be at a distance of 70 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Now go to dimension, define this from side at 5 mm. This also from side will be at 5 mm and escape. Now here go to rectangular pattern, select this circle, go to direction 1, select this line, and here this line is going down. So I'll click here, flip, so the pattern will go upside. Now here define the count as 3 and the center to center distance here will be of 40 mm and press OK. Now you can see 2 more circles. I'll just drag this. Okay, this is okay. Now here go to fillet command, take a fillet radius of 5 mm, select this corner, select this corner, select this corner and select this corner. Escape. So we have defined all. Finish sketch. Here take 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles. Here click on cut. So it will cut all the profiles and press OK. Okay. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. I'll drag the cursor on this, you'll find the center point. Make circle of dia 4. Here also dia 4 and here dia 4 and this also of dia 4. Finish sketch, take here extrude, select all the profiles, click on cut and here I'll take all. So it will cut up to this thickness. Okay, so it will generate holes here and press OK. Okay, go to home and here I'll define the appearance. So I'll take a light red color and for flat pattern go to sheet metal and here we'll take create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this. Okay, so these are the bending lines. Go to folded part and this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part design in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.